I can't recall, but it's soundproof, and of course, it's wind, water, and fireproof, mold proof,
Term.
uh, termite proof, yeah, bug proof, yep. Someone asked, will the masterclass equip me to do my own build, start to finish? Yes, and we actually hold your hand to make sure that you get it right the first time. And that's a part of the masterclass. So when you take the masterclass, we're actually mentoring you. You do your self-paced stuff first, and then when you're ready to do your first projects, we'll hold your hand through the entire process. Yep, Tiffra Harris says, I'm plant-based and want to grow my own food as well. So here's my concern about what we are already currently eating from the store. You don't know what they've sprayed on it. You don't know any of that. But at least if you had at least one container, grow pod, at least you have control over that, because you're the one that was the steward of that particular product. So, even in your backyard, you already are the one that's grooming it and cultivating it. So you know what's going into it. But when you're purchasing from, your traditional structures, aka supermarkets or wherever, you don't really know what methods are being used. And remember, even with traditional farming, you still are sometimes still using pesticides. I don't know too many organic farmers close to where I live at. So I already know you had to put pesticides on it to stop the bugs from eating it. And so with the grow pod, none of that is necessary. So it's healthier, it's a healthier alternative to purchasing locally. And then, of course, you get to control that entire environment. So I think it's a great source for, healing the body by having truly organic foods. So we're coming to the end of our chat, guys. We appreciate y'all so much for joining us this evening. Couple of quick things. The pre-planning meeting that we had earlier